should have to make your cooking faster and healthier without any ready-made items. First comes this vermicelli, that is rice vermicelli, which is called sevai. You will get it in MTR or in Manna. Both are very nice. It's very easy to cook, and it's very faster cooking also. Just you have to put it in the boiling water and drain it after 5 to 10 minutes. And whatever tempering you want, if you want a South Indian tempering, North Indian tempering, or Italian kind of taste, then whatever is possible or whatever you like, you can do that. This is very faster cooking and normal vermicelli. And then nowadays you are getting this spaghetti in brown rice, basmati rice, and even in millets. This will have a very nice twist in your kitchen and in your cooking, and you can have it like with pizza seasoning and whatever taste you prefer. This is very good and faster cooking, and instead of going for ready-made kind of what to say, like noodles, this will be better. And poha. Poha is faster cooking, so you should have in your kitchen. And then bajra flakes. Like cornflakes, you are getting bajra flakes, ragi flakes, everything. Of course, muesli, just to have it with milk or fruits. Then comes little millet, which is faster cooking in all millets, and you can have it for the substitute of rice or wheat, which is very good for health. And then broken wheat is also good. You should have basmati rice. Basmati rice is faster cooking than normal sona masuri or any kind of rice. And oats. Oats you should have. Cornflakes. And when it comes to whole grain, which can be eaten like snacks or dinner, any kind of dish, or these two. This is green gram, and this is one kind of this is called karamani, and this can be used very easily, and no need for soaking overnight or 3-4 hours and nothing. Just you have to put it in cooker 1:2 or 1:3, it's your wish. So this is a faster cooking, and you can mix it with salads, and you can have dish like sundal or anything. So these two are faster. Then comes your ragi flour. It's very good for health and easy cooking also. To make it easier, you can mix it with atta or dosa batter, or only ragi also will do. Whatever is your preference, you can do like that. And normal wheat atta and corn. This is whole corn flour. It's not a starch like a white flour, so it will be yellow in color. This is very good for health, and the tortilla, tacos, everything is made out of this whole corn flour, which is good for health. And same like corn variety, this is corn rava. You can have it like a upma. This will be easier for cooking. Tamarind paste is very easy for cooking, for sambar or any kind of South Indian kind of dish. You can just have this tamarind paste. It will be nice. And breadcrumbs for any frying. And this is coconut, dried coconut grater. This is so easy to have to vegetable. If you add this to vegetable, you will get a nice consistency, and taste will also be nice. Of course, tur dal. Tur dal is for sambar or all kind of dal. You can have tur dal and chana dal. Both cooks so much faster, and with grated coconut it will be very nice. No need for rice. Just these two will serve as a dinner or breakfast. It's a faster cooking. But dry methi leaves. This will go with all kind of North Indian dishes. So you should have this. If you have time, you can have this whole tamarind and make it a paste. Salt. And people say they are not getting a gravy kind of dish. For gravy, you can go with khashkash, almond, cashew, and groundnut. These four will give a nice texture to your dish, and it will be very easy to cook. Just you have to add this to coconut or onion and put it in your blender. It will get a nice gravy with tomato also. This will be very nice. Should have your fresh cream and coconut milk. It comes in a tetra packet. This will be very thick. So just 2 spoons will be enough, and you can dilute it. This is roasted gram. This is very easy to cook. This can be eaten just like that without any cooking, or for chutneys it is used. And to make a gravy paste also, you can grind it with your masalas. This will be good. And then for Chinese, if you want Chinese, you should have a soy sauce. Without soy sauce, you can't get a Chinese kind of food. And for your salads, you can have apple cider vinegar, which should be mother. Like it will be written like mother with mother. So you should have an apple cider vinegar for your salads, and of course sugar and milk. A tetra packet should be there in your home. Then comes what are all the items you should have for tempering. Like for tempering, you need oil. Any oil you prefer. This is olive oil. This one is mustard seed, jeera, ginger garlic paste, tamarind paste, fenugreek. So for tempering, you should have these three, and any garam masalas, whatever you need, that is your wish. And these three are essentials. Total tamarind, ginger garlic paste. If you are going for a non-veg, you can have garam masala or veg curry or North Indian kind of cooking. For that you need garam masala, chaat masala. This is dry mango powder. Instead of having this tamarind paste, you can add this. You should have chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Turmeric is very good for health, so you can have it with golden milk, which is added to milk. And to have rasam, any kind of Indian dish, you should have turmeric. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope it will be useful, and you make your kitchen very well prepared, and you cook faster from now.